many moons ago, we decided to put a set of stairs with stones to get up in our bamboo area. Later on, I'm actually going to use a jack to lift this stone up here, up level, and we're going to redo all this and make it better. But in the meantime, my wife suggested that we add in another smaller, easy access set of steps. She realized that seeing that I could build all this, that I could surely put in a set of steps. So we'll see how it goes. It's going to be basically a box up here with a 2x6 or 2x8 or 2x10 facing, whichever works, coming down to another box here. And on this 2x6 box and this 2x6 box, I will put decking, tread boards, just like that. Get her nice and level, and it'll look good. Any of you that are curious what all this black plastic is, this heavy duty plastic, it is called a bamboo barrier. And that's what keeps all that from winding up here. Okay. Stated earlier, I've got this area here pretty well cleared out. I worked this morning and drew up a design and got my measurements and found out how much wood I would need to buy. And I have gone to Lowe's and bought and cut and constructed this lower level here. We're going to put this in position and get it leveled, and then the upper level into the bamboo we'll add later. Alright, well, a few positioned rocks in the right place. I'll be adding more rocks and get this better stabilized, but for right now she's looking good. Level here coming at me, and level this way and that. Alright, my first step is finished. Looking pretty good. Once I get the next level finished, the platform back in here, later on I will add stone into these voids here, as well as here, so everything meshes in nicely, just like we like to do with wood and stone coming together. But so far, so good. First level's in, and I have finished the box for the final level. So let's put it on. Okay, the second level is in, and I used some really long screws. They'll be hidden by the decking coming on, and it's quite firm, it's quite sturdy. It's time to put the decking on. Well, there it is, all finished. This whole project took less than a day. I'm pretty pleased with it. Let's check it out. It's 285 pounds. It's not a difficult step. It works. Another project finished.